Good morning, my name is Tomasz. We are here in New York City. This is our first full day, but our second vlog from the city that never sleeps. Come with me. We are at the world's most famous street, the Fifth Avenue, and at my back, for example, you can see the Empire State Building. So yeah, in this video we will visit the most famous landmarks, including Lower Manhattan with the Wall Street, 9/11 Memorial. It's possible that we will go to the Statue of Liberty as well, and we start here at the Fifth Avenue, just so you can see. We arrived to New York's most iconic building, Empire State Building, at my back, and we can see it's up because of the fog.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Guys, look at my view. An honest opinion about the Empire State Building is that when you're walking on the Fifth Avenue, I don't know, there are a lot of tall buildings, and you only see the Empire State Building if you are next to it. So if you are 200 meters down on the street, some other buildings get the view. Another famous thing in New York is the New York City subway. A lot of stories are related to the New York City subway, and not just in the films or in the series. We are on the New York City subway, which is not too modern, very old cars and old system. It's crowded, and you have to be at your mind when you are navigating and when you get on a train, because it's very easy to go the wrong way, just how I did last time when I was here. So yeah, $3 for a ticket. It's a good price, I think, for this quality of traveling. Just how you can see, the subway map is huge, a lot of trains on a lot of different routes. So yeah, just as I mentioned, it's easy to go the wrong way. The New York City Metro is in the movies and in series in a bad context, because a lot of crazy stories happen here. They call it subway stories, but in a recent train I saw an advertiser that don't be someone's subway story, which is very funny, I think. They often say that it's full of rats. I haven't seen a rat. This is my first time using the subway, so actually I like it. So it's very fast, you don't have to stay in the traffic. The subway trains are in time, so I can recommend it. Subway took us to the Wall Street. This is the most famous and most important street in the American, but I think we can say in the world economy. And there is that iconic small church at the end of the street. Here we can see the New York Stock Exchange, one of the most famous buildings on the Wall Street. Here in the Trinity Church, and when it was built back in 1846 or 44, I'm not sure, it was the tallest building in New York City with its 86 meters tall tower. We are here at the 9/11 Memorial, where happened the US saddest terrorist attack, plane flight into the World Trade Centers. More than 3,000 people died in total. The World Trade Center contained two buildings. At the first place here is a waterfall, and here we can read the people's name who died in this terrorist attack. And at my back, at the second tower's place, there is the Freedom Tower, which was built after the terrorist attack. It's a very new building and currently is the tallest skyscraper in New York City with its 541 meters height. Look at their chipmunks. They are walking, one here, the second there, and they are just walking between the people. Wow. We are on a bus which takes us to a ferry, and by the ferry we will do a 1.5 hour boat ride around New York City. We will go to the Statue of Liberty, to the Brooklyn Bridge. So yeah, I hope it will be scenic. At my back there, you can see the exact place where Saudi landed an Airbus 320 back in 2009 on the Hudson River. At my left side, we can see Manhattan Island, and at my right hand, there is New Jersey.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
New Jersey's skyline is not that bad at all. They are building skyscrapers
and New Jersey. So right
currently,
now,
so they are building new ones as well.
over.
There is the financial district. That tallest building is New York City's tallest building, just as I mentioned earlier, the Freedom Tower.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And back you can see the Statue of Liberty, which was a gift to the Americans from France, symbolizing the American French friendship and the freedom and the liberty.
Oh, in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Yo, I stayed on this.
So
Where's the
this
garbage?
area to our port side is the financial district.
We arrived back to the port. It was a very good tour. There was a woman, Molly, talking inside. She told us a lot of interesting information and actual news. For example, what happened at the Empire State Building, or the Knicks became champion for the first time in I don't know how many years. And they play very great music when she's not talking. Now we will travel by the subway again, because for a good lunch, where we have to go to Little Italy to eat some Italian food. The Little Italy is a small street in the heart of Manhattan, in the lower part, very close to the Chinatown, and it's full with Italian restaurants. We'll eat here at this restaurant. I get a tagliatelle bolognese here at the Little Italy, Casa D'Angelo.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow to the sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We are not in Little Italy anymore, but look at here at the Union Square. There is a Wanchi. Let's eat some Italian gelatos. What's down there? I resolved the problem. Now I hope I get a free cup of gelatos. At my back we can see the Flatiron Building, which was New York City's first skyscraper. We are back at the Times Square at our usual closing place. So yeah, just how I did in the previous video, I do the outro from here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.